The state legislature passes another measure to counter the Trump administration's tough immigration policies. The bill seeks to protect immigrants who take the witness stand inside a courtroom.
It's billed as a measure that would keep the public safe, but will it? Let's go to CBS 13's Lamore Abrams. She's live for us this evening with more on this. Lamore?
Christina and Tony, Democratic lawmakers here say the public is better off when witnesses and victims of crime can testify in court. But they say immigrants are refusing to even go to court for fear of being detained by federal immigration agents.
We know that ICE is in our courthouses.
California lawmakers once again moved to keep federal immigration agents from detaining immigrants here illegally.
Ayes 31, no 6. The Assembly amendments are concurred.
Passing a measure that bars immigrants from revealing their status in court unless a judge rules it's relevant to the case.
Your immigration status is nobody's business.
But California public defenders and even the state's News Publishers Association think it is in anyone's interest to know who's taking the witness stand.
It's to determine whether there's potential bias, whether they're credible, whether they're a good witness, and this eliminates that possibility.
You have to balance our shared desire to have a very open process with the reality. If immigrants think that if I go to court, they're going to ask me about my immigration status and I'm going to get deported, they're not going to go to court.
There's no data on how often immigrants are being targeted in court, but advocates claim ICE agents have been following them into courthouses as part of the Trump administration's stepped-up immigration enforcement.
In a hypothetical situation, if ICE was to hear that an individual is undocumented, they could wait in a court lobby and then apprehend that individual.
The state sanctuary state law keeps local law enforcement from cooperating with ICE. This measure takes the law a step further, limiting ICE's ability to perform its duty.
And it's unfortunate because it really chips away at the integrity of the judicial process.
Now, the bill has an urgency clause attached to it, so if the governor signs off, it'll go into effect right away.
Lamore Abrams at the state capitol for us. Lamore, thank you.